Hi, this is Gar from PreQuilt, and for this video we're going to learn about a new feature called the merge cells. What it does is it allows you to select multiple cells and merge them together to make larger cells. So you could merge a cell, and you can even merge merged cells, and you can also unmerge them. So by clicking this button, it just toggles on be back and forth between the merge and the unmerge. So you could also merge by using the right click or unmerge. So what it does is it takes just two cells. You could, like if you wanted to do 9 of these cells, you could manually select all 9 cells, or you can just click the top left and the bottom right, and that's enough information for the app to know that you want to select all these 9 to form a square. So you don't have to select all the cells. You can just literally select something like this, and it would merge that into a huge cell for you. So it's a bit of a time saver, I guess. So I don't really have a plan as to what I'm doing right now. I just want to merge some cells to create some kind of, hopefully create some kind of interesting grid system. Let's see. Maybe like this. That's kind of the fun part sometimes, is not really knowing what you're doing. I think this is good. I'm gonna just stop it right there. I'm happy with the grid. You know what? I think I want to do one more. There you go. Right, so I don't really like these default blocks. I'm going to remove them. I'm going to create my own custom block, and I'm going to fill it in with this, and then I forgot to put a background. I always put the background in afterwards. I tend to forget. So what I have to do is now go to the layers and then drag that to bring it to the back. And we're done the first block. This one is a 5x5, so I'm just going to call this the small. And I'm going to fill it in to all these. Rather than just selecting all these little ones, we have this shortcut where you can right click and select cell size. So it's going to look for all the ones that are 5x5. Now I can just quickly add that in, and then it fills in. It saves me a lot of time. So now with the 10x10, I'm just going to clone this, and it's going to save me some time if I just clone it and then I resize it. So I know that I want this to be 10. So, oops, 10, and that's done. And then I could just right click and select cell size, and then add that in. I like to change the name. I'm just going to call this 2 medium. Come on. All right. And then with the, I'm going to scale this one. This time I'm going to do 15. Then, oops, I think I did something wrong. I should have cloned it first. Okay, so I clone it and then I resized it. Alright, so now I'm going to select the size, and then I'm going to apply this one to that, and I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to apply some random rotation to it, just kind of make it a little bit more dynamic. And I could probably tweak this for another 10 minutes, but I'm sure you don't want to watch me do that, so I'm just going to leave it as is, and then maybe apply some new colors to it. I kind of like the pink or the orangey pink. I'm going to lock that and then see what other color comes, works well with that. Nothing. This one's alright. Maybe if it was a little darker. Okay. So like this. There you go. All right, so I am happy with this. I want to download the image now. Download it, and then I can download this as well. I could also, at this point, see how it would look if I was to replace some of these blocks as well. I could load some blocks in. Let's say I want to replace it with this corner beam right here. And I want to, or you know what I think would look nice? I think the clamshell, since the everything has curves in it. So I'm really interested to know if I was to replace, so I'm going to select all the small ones, and then I'm just going to replace that with the clamshell. That didn't work out really well, but it was worth a shot. I'm going to undo this, but there's a lot of fun where you could just take new blocks and just kind of swap them back and forth, and sometimes you get some really interesting surprises that you really don't need to do a lot of work. It's just fun to experiment. So I'm going to end the video like this, and if you have any questions, if I missed anything, please write the questions down below and I'll try my best to answer them. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to our channel. That way you're notified when new videos arrive. So thanks for watching and have a great day.